Hey butterflies, hey creatures, it's your girl Leia the Slayer of NYC Butterfly Braids Hair Story Podcast. I got this box in the mail. This is from Chasin UNICORNs. That's why you're here. However, when I had to destroy it to get it out the mailbox, not because of them, because it fit in my, the mailman will open up the whole, I don't know if you know about this, but you live in like a building or something. My mailbox is outside, but it's for the whole block pretty much. And so it's like he has a key that opens up all of them. So he can just slip in every box or every package or letter, parcel into the designated place. He did that with mine. But when he closed the gate over it to like lock up all the boxes, he didn't realize that this was not going to be able to pull through. It was only able to go in because it was open. So I'm trying to get it out the mailbox. I got that message like, hey, your package has been delivered, which I do like. Chasin Unicorns, one of the few brands that let you know step by step, hey, what's happening with your package. So like, hey, your package is going out. Hey, your package is out. Hey, your package has been delivered. Love it. Why don't everybody do that? I don't know. Probably costs money. Y'all cheap. So yeah, when I went to fight it, I was like, what can I do? So then I ripped it open on one. They had a plastic around it, like the postage from the U.S. Postal whatever, and I ripped that off. And then you see it? So cool. So I ripped that outside. That's my first one. I ripped that off in the box. Like damn, I was like hurting my hands and everything, but I got it off. And then I tried to pull it through and it still wouldn't pull through. I'm like, because remember that, because that package has like padding on it, so I'm like, maybe that would go through. Still wouldn't go through. So then I was just like, let me open up the box, and if anything, I'll start pulling out the contents. We're not gonna have an unboxing the way I would like it, but bitch, I'm getting my things. I'm not waiting. So a rational person would have just waited for the postman, but I have shit to do. I can't even stand out. I don't know what time he comes. I'm gonna stand outside and wait all day for the nigga to come. Like, hey, yeah, or leave a note. Hey, sir, my box is stuck. I don't got time for all that. And I'm a little, I grew up in MacGyver era. Like, I know how to fix shit. So I ripped this shit open, and then I kind of like did this. Like, you see that? So that it would be flatter, and I was able to pull it through. So I don't know what's inside. I don't know if I damaged it or whatever, but let's find out together. Okay. Let me know what you think about this makeup look. I do have a video coming soon about it. I'm using full face of NYX products, which is super affordable. So it's Life is Better with Crystals. I agree that all of them are house. And that's one of the things that kind of, drew me to them. It's in a crystal. It's a crystal infused lifestyle brand. chasinunicorns.com. Here's my monthly dose. It has everything that's on it. I already see something, I don't know. Vegan silk. What the fuck is vegan silk? Hair scrunchies. I hate getting hair things, but this box smells good, so I'm gonna let that ride. Dry body exfoliating brush, lash and brow growth serum. I don't need that. Calendula lemongrass bath bomb. If you watch my last 3 unboxings, something with calendula was in each and every one of them. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I never even heard of this shit, but now it's in every box. Cool. A bath bomb is lit. I can't wait. A Blue Angel Aura Quartz. Yes, I love Angel Aura Quartz. Somebody stole my last one, or we left. They went to somebody else. Dewdrop Facial Serum with avocado oil. I don't need it. Okay, so it's packaged pretty nicely. Got a little sticker. I love when they do that. It smells, whatever the bath bomb, you can smell it a mile away. So special discount for Chasin Unicorn subscribers, 20% off. Oh my god. Damn, it smells good. 2 perfect waves. I guess they're trying to sell me some drinks, some healthy cocktails. I don't really drink like that, and I don't think drinking is that healthy. I don't. So I guess these are the vegan silk scrunchies. 1, 2. I could make this my sewing machine in like 5 minutes, but I'm not, so maybe that's why. I don't know. They look cute together. Scrunchies are nice, I guess. Scrunchies are very white girl. Just saying. So this is a Pure Electrolytes Ultima Refresher. Is this on the list? Did I read that to y'all? Yeah, I don't see this on the list. So it says Ultima Refresher Electrolytes Pure and Simple. I don't know. 0 calories, 6 electrolytes. Which 6? I have no idea. Gluten-free, plant-based. Alright, you put it in your water, you get a little plant-based, keto, sugar-free flavor. Hopefully it's not taste like trash, and hopefully it doesn't have anything that I don't want in my body. Because it's not specific out here. I would hate to open it and then find out that I don't want it, when I could just give this away. So I'm gonna do some research about that before I try to drink it, which is fair. I'm assuming this is the bath bomb that smells so fucking good. Like, yo, this shit smells good. I can't even express or explain. You could probably smell it through the camera. I'm a lemon citrus person, so like anything lemon citrus, flavor wise, lemon lime citrus. Anyway, fragrance flavor is just me. Like I'm tangy. Like, you know what I mean? You met me. You know so. All right, what is this? They gave me some vodka. How the fuck do you know I'm old enough to get vodka? Bruh, they should go to jail. Lock them up. Lock them up. These niggas gave me fucking vodka. Ready to drink peach vodka. When I was 13 years old. I didn't tell them how old I was. And it's not exclusive to adults. Anybody can purchase this. I'm not happy because I don't have no kids. If I had me a 15-year-old and she was like, oh, I'm into crystals and baths, like I would be. And then y'all gave her some alcohol. Let me know if y'all think it's okay to get alcohol in a box, a beauty subscription, like a whatever, what they call it, crystal infused lifestyle box. Is it crystals infused in this motherfucker? Like, what are y'all doing? And then they giving me recipes on drinking healthy. Like, bitch, no. I know some girls that would love it, but not me. So this is some lash serum. I am blessed. I'm not wearing lashes right now. I don't have to wear lashes because I have them. I do. So lash serum, that's definitely a gift. I'm gonna give it to somebody who ain't got no lashes. What is this? Oh, this is my crystal. This is, oh, this shit is nice. I'm gonna sage it. This is nice. This is worth the box. Definitely. It looked like it was dyed. Like, this don't even look real. Nice. I'm gonna make a pendant. Can you see this right here? Cause you will. Cause I'm gonna make a pendant. Yeah, this is, I'm gonna do it right now. My next video might be how to turn a crystal into a pendant. Would you like that? I'll think about it. If I have all the tools, I'll do it today. Okay, so this is a Dewdrop Serum. Is this hair? Okay, look y'all. There's some hair. It might be mine. Let me not. I'm gonna guess it. I'm gonna just say this is my hair. Because why would they have hair in it? And my hair is like in the box. But yeah, that's probably my hair. Okay. So this is the Dewdrops Dahlia Organics. I like it. Something about it. I'm gonna keep this. And is this there? There's a loofah scrubber. I don't need it, but it's cute to have like in your bathroom, just chilling. As some of you may know, I'm moving. I've said this before. I can't say it enough. I'm super excited about it, and I'm bringing y'all with me through the apartment finding process, through looking at different places, through like moving in, buying furniture. This is gonna be so cool. Like, I am excited. I'm gonna miss this wall because I look for wallpaper like that's similar and I can't find it anywhere, and I love it. So I'm gonna miss that, but everything else I won't miss. I'm moving on to better, bigger, better, newer things. And yeah, that really completes my box. I'm just very intrigued that they gave me alcohol. Should I have a drink with y'all? Y'all want me to have a little drink? There's a beauty box person that I follow on here, and she has a drink with her subscribers. So she's like, oh, let's have a drink break, and I think it's really cool. There's a couple people that do that, but I like her style. And yeah, she would love this. I'm not a big drinker. Like, I rarely drink. I had 2 drinks and I'm drunk. Like, if I drank this, I'll be drunk. Because this is like, what, 2 shots, I think. I used to drink, but I was never good at it. What do you guys think about Chasin Unicorns as a brand, as a company? I purchased this a while ago. Before I started doing my boycott, I started boycotting a lot of brands that don't publicly support Black Lives Matter, or like don't include Black people but want us to buy from them. So a lot of these unboxings that I'm doing, they are before all of this, which I should have been on this type of time, but you know, you get swept up in the bullshit. I like things, like, you know what I mean? So yeah, going forward, you're gonna see a lot more Black owned companies, Black owned brands here on my channel. And I'm still gonna, you know, buy what I like, because I'm not them. And if I like it, I'm gonna buy it. But yeah, if you publicly just don't give a fuck about us, yeah, that's a dub for me. So I don't know much about this brand. I haven't seen them say anything about Black Lives Matter, but I haven't really checked too hard. I don't know where they stand on it. A lot of brands sent that email out like, hey guys, we stand with Black Lives Matter. Does that really mean anything? Like, I don't see any Black people on their page or on their website or in their packaging or whatever. But to be fair, I didn't see a lot of people at all. You know what I mean? I didn't see a lot of people at all. So I'm gonna give them another chance, and I think I'll continue to subscribe to them and see what they have in store next month. The crystal really sold it for me. It really sold it for me. Like, I'm really about to make what do you call it? I'm really about to make a sheen. Like, this is very nice. Cool. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is meant for me, of course. So yeah, Chasin Unicorns seems like a cool brand. Let me know below if there's anything I need to know about these niggas, because I've been trying to like people and then I found out some bullshit, and then I gotta be like, give me my money back. I want my time back too. So until next time, make sure you leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload, you know, I don't just do unboxings. I do hair tutorials, I do makeup, I do reviews, I do commentary, I do reaction videos, I do lifestyle blogging and stuff like that. So it's an exciting channel, and I have a lot of fun, and I always keep it real with you guys. If you like that, this is the place for you, and I want to give you, you know, a round of applause for just sticking around to the end. You're the real MVP. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other, and Chasin Unicorns, keep your eye on this one if you haven't already. It seems legit. Peace.
We wanted to talk to you about the video that you made.
Did you like it?
No, I didn't.
Then I didn't make it. Bye-bye.
Oh, no, you don't.